Southern Maryland Midweek Cruise-In, Wednesday, Arby's in Leonardtown. Not a big turnout because it's real hot out today. I'm John. This is Out of Order Garage. Thanks for watching. About a Studebaker two-door wagon. This thing is neat. It's got a small block Chevy in it. Got a small block Chevy in it. Small block Chevy, it looks like.
Small block Chevy. Yeah, blueprint. Some blueprint company.
They've taken out the C-pillar here. Pretty neat. Got some custom touches to the body. Pretty neat. Look at this. That's pretty neat. Chevrolet. Step van. Graffiti. Custom, look at the shift handle. You got graffiti on the roof. Inside. That's neat. See what's in there. Some room for some passengers in the back. There you go, Chevrolet step van. Got a couple of surprise package Fords here. Fairmont. Got LS. Turbos. Look, got air conditioning too. You got everything you need. There's the exhaust. See the exhaust coming out the front fender, you better watch out. Shifter in there, laptop to tune it. Got the wider wheels on the back. Intercooler and everything in the trunk. Pretty neat. We got this other one here. Similar idea. Got turbo, LS in that one. His exhaust is a little more in your face there. So what year is this one?
84.
And is it a LTD?
Yep, LTD.
And this one is a Fairmont, right?
Fairmont.
What year?
82.
Neat. Well, there you go. A couple neat Fords. Check out this Nova 66 or 7. Not exactly sure how to tell the difference, but I'm sure you guys can help out in the comments. An automatic. That's nice. Super Sport. Perfect. 50-year historic tags on it. Let's look at it from the driver's side. Yeah, it's really nice.
You know, if you decide to put a new
65 El Camino.
you're going to have to set them anyway. You know, because you know one side of the plate will have a.
Look at that. Got the nice two-tone. We've seen this one before.
And the other side.
Really nice looking car. Truck, car, truck. It's both. A nice cover on the back there. Yep. El Camino. About Dodge. That's pretty neat. You don't see that all the time. that. That's pretty cool. What year is it?
69.
69. That's neat.
New window gasket.
Look at this super clean Ford F-250. Cab and a half long bed. It's pretty stock, except for the headlights. Got some aftermarket headlights in there. Man, what a nice looking truck. F-250. Long bed. Super cab. Got a Crown Vic. It's got a Y block.
I changed the plugs in it.
Air conditioning.
But I've never changed it.
It's Frank's, one of Frank's cars.
5 years, 4 years. Yeah, they come. God, there's anywhere Napa.
Unique Continental kit and everything. Wasn't a whole lot of cars here tonight
Yeah.
to cruise in. Might put a short video out of it all anyway. This New Yorker, seen him before. Pretty neat. Of course, Frank's 49. 49 Ford shoebox. Put a propeller on the nose there. A Pontiac G8. And Challenger. Well, that'll do it for a really hot day. I'm John. This has been Out of Order Garage. Thanks for watching, folks. See everybody on the next one.